Starting next month, a controversial drunk driving loophole will be closed under a newly revised law. The so-called Kim Ho-joong Prevention Act will go into effect on June 4th. The law targets those who intentionally drink even more alcohol after a crash in an attempt to disrupt the sobriety tests. Anyone who engages in this act will face the same level of punishment as refusing to take a breathalyzer test.
Singer Kim Ho-joong was sentenced to 2 years and 6 months in prison for a hit and run and driving under the influence last year.
죄송합니다. 반성하겠습니다. 죄송합니다.
Controversy surrounded BAC or blood alcohol concentration tempering. Kim allegedly drank more canned beer after fleeing the scene so that the police wouldn't be able to accurately measure the blood alcohol level and determine how intoxicated he was at the time of the accident. In a similar case, a drunk driver who caused a fatal accident drank more alcohol after claiming that he was going to the hospital. Criticism compelled the National Assembly to pass the so-called Kim Ho-joong Prevention Act, which is about to go into effect soon. The act prohibits additional alcohol consumption intended to hinder a sobriety test or using drugs that could affect the blood alcohol concentration level. Violators will be sentenced to imprisonment between 1 and 5 years and a fine between 5 million won and 20 million won, or between some 3,500 and 14,000 US dollars. This is the same as the penalty for refusing to take a breathalyzer test.
술타기 수법에 대해서도 엄정 단속할 예정입니다. 음주운전은 절대 안 된다는 인식을 가지고 안전한 사회 분위기 조성에 적극 동참을 부탁드립니다.
The revised Road Traffic Act will take effect starting June 4th.